Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about three amazing electronic discoveries that changed our world. These are the transistor, the integrated circuit, and the charge-coupled device, or CCD. Each was started with a bit of luck and smart thinking, and now they are in everyday things like phones and cameras. First, the transistor. Picture this. A simple wetness accident in a lab, like spilling water, led to a tiny part that powers all our gadgets. No more big vacuum tubes. You will want to hear how three friends at Bell Labs made it happen. Next, the integrated circuit. One guy, working alone during summer break, used wire and a flat piece of material to cram many parts into one small chip. This sparked the computer age. Imagine building something huge in a quiet office. And the CCD. In just 1 hour of chatting, two scientists sketched an idea that captures light for photos, making your smartphone camera possible. It all came from a side thought during work. Stick around to learn the fun stories, simple science, and why these matter to you. Let us start with the transistor. Back in 1947, at Bell Labs in New Jersey, three smart people, John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley, were trying to make better phone switches. They want something small to replace big, hot vacuum tubes that broke easily. They work with materials like germanium. Germanium is a kind of metal that conducts electricity sometimes. One day, Brattain and Bardeen noticed something odd. When they added wetness or even breath near their setup, it amplified signals like magic. It was a happy accident. The moisture helped electrons move better. They built the first point-contact transistor, a tiny device that controls electricity flow. Think of it as a switch or amplifier. Shockley later improved it into a better version called the junction transistor. Think of it as a sandwich of materials, where electrons jump layers to make signals stronger. This tiny thing replaced rooms full of tubes. In 1956, they won the Nobel Prize in Physics for it. Today, transistors are in everything. Your TV remote, car radio, even toys. Without that wetness luck, our world would be bulkier and slower. It shows how a small mistake can lead to big changes. Now, moving on to the integrated circuit, or IC. This happened in 1958 at Texas Instruments in Dallas. Jack Kilby was an engineer who loved solving problems. That summer, most people were on vacation, so he was alone in the lab. He had time to think freely. The goal was to make circuits smaller by putting many transistors and parts together. Using a flat piece of germanium, some wire, and simple tools, he built the first working IC, all parts connected on one small slab. It was like baking a whole cake in one pan instead of separate pieces. His first one did basic math, like an oscillator. Around the same time, Robert Noyce at Fairchild made a better flat version using silicon. Together, they started the chip industry. An IC is a tiny board with millions of transistors etched on it, using light and chemicals to draw patterns. Kilby won the Nobel Prize in 2000 for it. Noyce had passed away. Imagine, without this summer alone time luck, computers would still be room-sized. Now, chips are in your watch, microwave, and even credit cards. They make things smart and cheap. It is exciting how one person's quiet tinkering changed how we live. Finally, the CCD. This was invented in 1969, again at Bell Labs. Willard Boyle and George Smith were thinking about computer memory. In just 1 hour of talking, they sketched an idea on paper. Instead of memory, it became a way to capture light as pictures. A CCD is a grid of tiny light sensors on a chip. When light hits, it creates electric charges that move like buckets in a line, turning into digital signals. It was a side idea from their chat. Pure luck that it worked for images. Their first test was simple, but it led to digital cameras. In 2009, they shared the Nobel Prize in Physics. Think about it. Without that quick sketch, no smartphone selfies or space telescope photos. CCDs are in medical scanners, barcode readers, and even self-driving cars. They make seeing the world digital and easy. It proves short talks can spark huge ideas. So, we have covered three key discoveries. The transistor from a wetness accident, the integrated circuit from summer tinkering, and the CCD from a quick chat. Each had luck and brains mixed together. They make our gadgets small, smart, and everywhere. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.